Star Stable is a fun 3D online horse game where players compete in races, go on quests, and explore the exciting island of Jorvik on horseback. Start by registering your email address on the Star Stable website and creating a password for your account. Next, follow the game prompts to build your character, customize your character's looks, and pick out a name. Then, choose a horse and customize it by selecting a mane color, body color, and name. You and your horse begin the game at Moorland Stables, which is level 1, and the game goes up to level 15. Your main goals are to train your horse and become a skillful rider. As you train, groom, and race your horse swiftness, discipline, agility, endurance, and strength stats go up. Swiftness adds to your horse's speed. Strength determines how high and far your horse can jump. Discipline determines how well your horse responds to commands. Endurance determines how many injuries your horse can take. And agility affects how fast your horse changes directions. Continue training, racing, and completing tasks to move up through the levels. You'll earn Jorvik shillings and star coins along the way, which you can use to buy gear, clothing, and later on, additional horses. Star Stable is a very social game, so you can also do things like join riding clubs, chat with other players, and go on quests together. As you progress, you'll eventually get to the toughest competition of all, the championships. You'll be racing against level 15 riders in the championships, so make sure you and your horse are well trained and ready to take them on. It usually takes around 150 hours to work through all 15 levels. Star Stable also adds new quests and storylines each week, so there are always plenty of things to do.